Hi there, my name is Paul Sorensen. My personal experience on how to advertise a small business for free is through business networking, also called word of mouth. There are business networking groups all over. Yes, some of them you have to pay, but there are also free groups. So just keep searching. And they normally meet early in the morning, like 7 or 8 o'clock, and have a cup of coffee or eat breakfast together. So the big trick is not to try to sell something to them, because we don't want to be sold anything. We want to buy, and we want to establish good contact with people. And it is through building rapport, and over time you get the confidence in people and they get confidence in you, and gradually they will open up their network for you. So imagine that if you are, let's say, 10, 20, 30 people in a group, and they each open up their network to you, then you get access to thousands of people. This is the most important thing that you can do. So personally, I have led and mentored more than 500 business networking meetings. And I have seen everything happen. I have seen pushy people. But believe me, they will soon be out because they don't get anything out of it. People reject them. And I have seen people who give. Big givers are those who get the most business. So start by giving, and when you give, eventually you will receive. That's a good sentence. Give before you expect to receive anything. Good luck to you.